Define the role of technology in education. The role of technology in education encompasses the digital devices, tools, and virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and many, if we can say, interactive whiteboards, which we use for learning. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you so much for joining me here on this beautiful day to discuss about a topic which I will reveal later on. So, there is a quote by Jenny Arledge that is, technology can become the wings that will allow the educational world to fly farther and faster than ever before. It is a quote by Jenny Arledge, and it may give you the hint about my topic of today's speech. And I think many of you may have already guessed it. So yes, my today's topic is the role of technology in education. The traditional classroom teaching is no longer the only place where we learn, and we need to embrace the change which our technology have came into the world, bring into the world, that nowadays we are focusing on online learning also. Technology has the potential Technology has the potential to revolutionize the learning and strategies to enhance the learning experiences for students. So now let me define the role of technology in education. The role of technology in education encompasses the digital devices, tools, and virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and many, if we can say, interactive whiteboards, which we use for learnings. Now, the role of technology in education extends far beyond the mere access of digital devices. For example, it is actually the fundamental shift in learning, like engagement. Technology let students engage with learning because it uh, provides student with the interactive content to learn, interactive content, so that they will be engaged in learning. They will be focused. Their focus will be on learning. Next point is accessibility. Now technology has made it easier and far more accessible for students to access technology all around the world. It doesn't depend whether you are living in a village or a very high class society, you are living in just a footpath. If you have digital device, you can access the technology and education. Now, third point which comes is personalized. With the help of technology, now learning has become personalized for students. Technology is providing personalized experiences to students and letting the student learn at their own pace and at their own learning style. In traditional classrooms, it was quite difficult for a teachers to focus on 70 students in a class. So now it is personalized for every student. They can learn via technology. Now the fourth point which comes is global learning. Technology has opened the wide gates where students can interact globally. They can learn the global perspective and learning. They have resources and educational content to learn on global platform. Now the fifth, last but not the least point which I am going to talk about is actually flexibility. And students have flexible time. Sometimes students are working, they are doing part-time job, or they don't have time to study. Now technology has made it easier for them to study whenever they want, and despite their location. If they are on the footpath, they can study, and whenever they want. It is flexible for students. Now, while we know that technology has transformed the educational platform, but let's not forget that every coin has two sides. In the same way, technology in the field of education also has some challenges which poses, like digital divide. Now students don't have access to digital devices, because to access the learning videos, platform, education material, student need devices like mobile phone, telephone, laptops, or any other devices like iPad. Now parents don't have money, they don't have financial condition to provide this to their children. So it is a barrier, we can say, which is still available in some places of world. Now the second point is cyber security. Now the main massive concern of teachers and parents nowadays in today's technological world is that cyber security, protecting your data, your digital data from the hackers and other, because we all know our data is the most important part. because it can reveal everything about our life, and we don't want it. So cybersecurity is also a concern. Third point is teacher preparedness. Nowadays the teachers are prepared because it's been 3 to 4 years since we have moved on digital learning. But when it started, teachers were not prepared to actually educate students on online platform. They didn't have means, they didn't have information knowledge to how to effectively use technology to teach. Now fourth point we can say is massive distraction, because we know apps like social media app like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, these are very famous apps which are really famous all over every phone. You can find it, and it serves as a massive distraction for student learning. While learning, they can get distracted by looking at a notification from their friends, or looking at a notification of a favorite video posted by their favorite creator. It can distract students from learning. Now let's talk about the future of technology in education. So future of technology can be like AI. It is continuously evolving, and evolution is actually a natural process. Even nature favors it. So in technology in education field, it is also evolving. So AI is the one. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can provide student personalized learning, more personalized further way, because we can talk to chat GPT. We know it is like our friend, our teacher. However we want, it can perform like that. More personalized learning experiences. Second is online and blended learning. Blended like mixture of both online and offline learning, and it is actually one of the best way for student to learn. Some student who cannot give their full time to offline learning, going to college offline, so they have the chance of blended learning. So it is also evolving. Now in conclusion, I can say technology has the power to transform our education and unlock the full potential of our students. So, technology has the power to unlock the full potential of students. So, we should embrace the technology, this revolution, and we should accept it and evolve it more. We should work to create a brighter future in our educational platform. As George Couros once said, technology cannot replace a good teacher, but technology in the hand of a good teacher can be transformational. Thank you so much for listening me. That's all.